Hey guys, I'm just going to quickly show you how to apply our 10D fans to lashes. So you always want to stay 0.05 away from the skin, correct your angle and make sure your fan is sitting neatly. So again, I grab from the tip of my fan to place it, then I correct it with my tweezers closed. Again, grabbing my 10D from the strip from the tip, correcting the angle by pushing it slightly to the outer corner, brushing up from underneath to make sure the base is nice and flush with the natural lash. And you can see here these are 10D decurl pre-made fans.